This is the Sky helicopter. It's a very cheap radio control helicopter that you can buy in Action. Father Christmas bought everyone one because he does his shopping in Action. Here it is, still on the shop website. It's around 12-13 euros. I tried to fly it indoors. It either hit the ceiling or the floor or the wall. It was crazy. So I took it outside. Let's see. Check your batteries.
Get out, get out, get out!
Oh god, it's falling like a brick, Tom. Power?
Nope. No power. Oh wait, I'm not filming.
The controller does nothing. Hello?
That hurts.
Wow. Should I just let it go?
Yeah, just let it go. The video is really wonky because like my hand, I have to do it one-handed.
Oh god, in the tree, please. Don't go away, don't go away. Oh my god, it's just like on its like... Oh. Shit's in the neighbour's garden. Like, it just landed and just took off by itself. This does nothing.
The controller's off! I just turned it on! Battery's off now. But dude! It just stopped! I just had the controller!
Oh my god, it's going in! Where's it going to land?
Dude! Run from where you are!
Oh, it started again! I mean, it's kind of fun, but the controller doesn't work.
Yeah. It's fun to see. Yeah. And here as well.
After 2 minutes of use, we discovered that it just does its own thing. The controller does nothing. And unfortunately, it started up in Tom's hand, which bashed him pretty badly, but he's a tough cookie. But it's not a product I can recommend. We do have a second one, the red one, so let's see if that is any better.
Go down! Go down! Come on, Missy!
And that one?
Uh-oh, uh-oh! Alright, I have to go get him, quick. Yeah. The red one or the blue one?
I can't see it anywhere. Okay, when you're ready, full power.
How did I?
Full power. Okay.
The batteries are out.
Nice. Well, if it suddenly takes off, it takes off.
Oh.
Oh, that's not our land.
Fuck, I'm trying to turn it. I'm trying to turn it. Can I see? It's on.
Oh well.
You gonna get it?
Can't be bothered.
Technically polluting, so.
I'll give you 2 minutes to go look for it. And we were 2 minutes late to get back to school, so great job, helicopter. I don't recommend it, and it's also dangerous. Not even fun to use.